Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV. So guys, over here I have a lot of corn, and so guys, I am gonna clean these corn and freeze them for later days when I want to cook, because winter is coming and we won't be able to get corn like that, like this. So guess what, guys, I bought my husband buy these corn. I'm gonna clean them and I'm gonna preserve them in my freezer. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clean off all the trash, wash these corn, put them in a Ziploc bag, guys, and put them in the freezer. So guys, you know, whichever way you can preserve food, guys. This is a lot of corn and I'm not gonna let them spoil, and we can't eat so much corn at one time. So we're gonna clean them, as I said. I'm gonna cook them today and I'm gonna put some in my freezer. Yes guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please continue to watch them. Comment, subscribe and share, guys, so YouTube can know that you like my videos. So guys, this is a teaching video name channel. I teach how to cook certain food, like Jamaican food, not only Jamaican food, but other food, whatever food I cook, food that I cook on a daily basic, simple stuff like how to preserve stuff in the freezer and things like that, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This one have a little, so I'm gonna break this off. So guys, all of these I'm just gonna freeze them. Here's a video on my channel, guys, where I freeze some the other day, and it came at around time I was cooking, and I just take out the corn and I just cook them, guys. So you just do like this. If you want to preserve your corn, you buy a lot, you see corn cheap, and you want to buy some, just buy them, clean them, put them in your freezer, guys. Wash them. If you want to break them, guys, you can break them in two so that they can hold in your pot easy. Why, guys, some part of this one didn't get any corn, but that's alright. Guys, I really appreciate you subscribing to my video. Guys, I'm almost at 200 subscribers, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe and help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Guys, I'm a stay-at-home grandma, and so I'm doing my little thing at home by running my little videos in YouTube channel. So guys, please support my videos. See guys, the thing is almost full. That's a lot of corn. I think this is about 1 dozen corn. We had 3 dozen corn, and guys, we share up and give some away. And this is mine. Yes guys, it's at my counter. I have to clean up my counter when I'm finished, but that's okay. Alright guys, 1 minute guys, let me take this, have a bag on the floor. Guys, this is a lot. When I'm done, I'm gonna have to sweep off my floor, but that's okay. I'm trying to make this video 11 minutes, guys. See there, guys. So this is easy. Just wash them. See, guys, wash them when you finish. All right, guys, I'll be back, guys. Yes, guys. So, guys, whichever way you can preserve stuff, preserve. Don't waste stuff. So, guys, I appreciate you subscribing. Guys, let me know if you like my silent videos. This one because this is a short video, so I talk in this one. Some of them I don't talk in them because they're long, like 30 minutes or so. And so I speed up some part of my videos and I make it silent. So guys, this is the one bowl, guys. So when I'm done, guys, I'm gonna just wash these and bag them up and store them in my freezer. Guys, I hope you learned something. I hope if you come across this video, you want they learn something from the video. So that's it, guys. That's so fast I finished these. Alright, guys. I'll be back, guys. I have to clean my counter. It's a lot of corn, guys. So I have to clean my counter, guys, tie up my garbage. I'll be back when I'm packing and I'm gonna wash them. I'll be back. Okay, guys. So now, guys, I'm just gonna bag up my corn. Usually I break them, but I'm not gonna break them, guys. So guys, in this bag I'm gonna put like 6 corn. You put them in the bag, guys. Take out the ear out the bag. And then you just put them in your freezer. Take out the ear. So that's 6 in that bag, guys. Put 6 in this bag. Yes, guys, so I'm just gonna put 6 corn in each bag. You just put it in the bag, guys, and you freeze them. They're gonna come out just the same, guys. They're not gonna come out no other way. At least you know these cans don't have preservative. That's how it go, guys. You just put them in the plastic bag. Put them in the plastic bag. Put them in the plastic bag and you put them in your freezer. Guys, I preserve everything. I reuse whatever I can reuse, guys, I reuse it. Even these plastic bags, guys, are reused bags. I use them, I wash them, I hang them up, and I dry them, and I reuse them. Guys, you have to be wise with your money. I'm wise with my money, guys. But squeeze out the ear. Here you go, guys. That's 3 bags of corn. Each bag have 6. And you know, this will last. I have 2 more left, guys. I'm gonna put them in the microwave and cook them. So guys, this is how you can preserve corn. Here you go, guys. Preserve your corn by cleaning them, bag them up, and put them in your freezer. So when you're ready to cook, you just grab one. That's it. You don't have to go to the store, guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe. Please comment, and subscribe, guys. Put on your notification bell on, so when I upload a video, you will get it, guys. Guys, don't forget, like the video, so YouTube will know that you like the video, and so the more people liking the videos is the more YouTube will send them out in the algorithm. Yes, guys, so help me grow my channel, guys. Thank you so much, and take care of yourself. Remember that Jesus loves you, and I do too. Have a blessed one.